This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, June the 28th. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions with near normal temperatures should prevail for the next several days here in the Southwest. But what about any signs of our monsoon making its annual visit to the state? Well, we'll talk about all of that and everything else related to our weather as we look outside right now and see what's happening out there. Here at 4:25 a.m., this crazy early hour, we have clear skies in the valley right now. A hint of the sun beginning to rise as we look toward the Superstition Mountains. 86 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 41. Humidity 21%. The winds are light. The barometer is rising. Temperatures across the area right now. Upper 70s in the cool spots. Upper 80s in the urban core. Satellite shows clear skies statewide right now. The watch warning map continues to be dominated by the red flag warnings, the elevated fire dangers. Many wildfires continue to rage out here through the west. Elsewhere across the country, very quiet right now. On the convective outlook, an enhanced risk of severe storms today around Davenport, Des Moines, up toward Madison, Wisconsin. The standard slight risk goes from Overland Park, Kansas to Kansas City, up toward Milwaukee, and then the marginal risk from around Cheyenne, Denver, Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Chicago. And as far as our weather, let's get into the details right now, see what's going on out there. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. It's the view across North America, where the pressure is averaged at 500 millibars. That's about 18,000 feet up off the ground. High pressure is centered across Mexico. Dry westerly flow around here as we have a pretty substantial trough passing well to the north of Arizona across the northern Rockies and northern Plains states. So another sunny and dry day. No thunderstorms across the state at all today. Highs topping out this afternoon around 106 to 109 here in the valley. Tonight should be clear, and with the very dry air, we will drop into the upper 70s in the cool spots, upper 80s in the urban core. And then tomorrow, we'll say another mostly sunny day with high temperatures again in the 106 to 109 range. Same goes for Friday and Saturday. Systems passing well to the north and east of the state, but high pressure will remain to our south and west, so sunny skies and dry conditions prevail. Sunday, maybe a degree of warming, highs about 107 to 110. Still not crazy out of bounds for this time of year, early July. Monday, same thing, highs about 106 to 110 with mostly sunny skies. Then on Tuesday, this is the 4th of July. It looks like a pretty seasonal day. Sunny skies, highs 106 to 110, lows in the upper 70s to upper 80s. No real sign of any monsoon activity, although some moisture beginning to line up across the Sierra Madre, northwest Mexico. Maybe a storm sneaks into the southeastern corner, but we will stay dry here. This is a week from today, Wednesday, the 5th of July. High pressure setting up across New Mexico, and that would lead to a more moist southeasterly flow starting to develop across the state. So, moisture on the increase, maybe an isolated shower or storm in the mountains north and east of Phoenix, but we'll stay dry for now. Here's Thursday, the 6th of July, and that looks like a favorable setup for continuing to bring moisture into our state. And then this is the end of the forecast period. Friday, the 7th of July, that's a 597 ridge located across parts of Nevada and Utah. A more easterly flow moving in here, and if storms do develop on the mountains, maybe they'd start to push toward the south central deserts. But that's a very strong ridge, and so that's a little bit discouraging in the sense that the heat bubble would be returning here. Highs warming up back toward 110, maybe 111, 112, somewhere in that range. So we're going to have to watch for that as well. I would lean toward climatology here and say that the moisture is going to start to win out and showers and storms will be on the increase. The European certainly hints at that, so we'll have to see. But that's way off middle and latter part of next week. Looking at temperatures through the period off the European ensemble, highs 106 to 110 pretty much every single day from here through the middle part of July, and that is typical. That's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video comes back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, subscribe to us. That way, every time we post a brand new video, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe, stay cool, and have a great Wednesday.